One fine day, your Samsung A12 phone suddenly cannot press the volume up and down keys. After using the command "A12" to check, I found that the commands from the pressed keys did not respond. The owner of the phone said that the phone had been dropped hard and had seen a new screen. Now we will remove the main circuit from the machine and do a preliminary check. We use a multimeter X1K to check the contacts on the button. Everything is okay. Now we check the impedance of the volume control contacts on the main board. Both outer contacts are completely out of voltage. We will compare with a normal operating circuit. Now we will open the Samsung A12 circuit diagram to see where these two signal lines lead. After clearing the protective iron cage area, we will use the X1K multimeter to measure the circuit to see if there is any disconnection. Found the problem is a loss of connection from this area to two contacts. We use a soldering iron and copper wire to connect the disconnected contacts as shown in the picture. Then use UV scissors to fix and protect the wires. Now we will check the volume buttons are working again. Everything is okay. Now you can get paid for your work. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you find it interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us.